I just wanna stay in the sun where I find, I know it's hard sometimes, pieces of peace in the sun's peace of mind. I know it's hard sometimes. Yeah, I think about the end just way too much, but it's fun to fantasize on my enemies who wouldn't wish who I was, but it's fun to fantasize. Oh, 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 I'm falling, so I'm taking my time on my ride. Oh, 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 I'm falling, so I'm taking my time on my ride. That's easy to say. We have a list of people that we would take. A bullet for them, a bullet for you, a bullet for everybody in this room. But they don't seem to see many bullets coming through. See many bullets coming through. Metaphorically, I'm the man, but literally, I don't know what I do. I'd live for you, and that's hard to do. Even harder to say when you know it's not true. Even harder to write when you know that tonight there were people back home who tried talking to you, but then you ignored them still. All these questions, they're folded like who would you live for? Who would you die for? And would you ever kill? Oh, 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 I'm falling, so I'm taking my time on my ride. Oh, 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 I'm falling, so I'm taking my time on my ride.
Morgen! Heute BWL-Praxis, die Aufgaben liegen schon auf dem Tisch. Wir haben in der Kommunikationspolitik insgesamt 4 Instrumente. Als erstes haben wir die Öffentlichkeitsarbeit. Ein anderes Wort für Öffentlichkeitsarbeit. Public Relations, die Abkürzung. Sponsoring. Was ist Sponsoring? Das kennen wir.
Zum Beispiel DHL.
Klamotten, die gehen in Schulen, die gehen in Materialien. Die Abschlussjahr, das wäre jetzt, das ist Fernschüler. Das ist die Abschlussjahr, oder im Radio. Das wäre der letzte Punkt. Machen wir direkt weiter. Das ist die Verkaufsförderung.
Absolut.
I've been thinking too much. I've been thinking too much. Help me. East is up. I'm fearless when I hear this on the low. East is up. I'm careless when I wear my rebel clothes. East is up. When bishops come together, they will know that demon don't control us. Demon don't control. East is up. They wanna make you forget. They wanna make you forget. Save your razor blades now. Not yet. Save your razor blades now. Not yet. I'm heavy. My jumpsuit is unsteady. I'm lighter when I'm lower. I'm higher when I'm heavy. Oh, I'm so high. My jumpsuit takes me so high. I'm flying from a fire. From Nico and the Niners. Oh. East is up. I'm fearless when I hear this on the low. East is up. I'm careless when I wear my rebel clothes. East is up. When bishops come together, they will know that demon don't control us. Demon don't control. I'm heavy. My jumpsuit is unsteady.
Sollen wir mal schneller machen?
Sipping on straight glory.